So adding charges to engage fees is very simple and easy. So the first step is that you come to allocations and allocate pupil charges. And this is where charges are assigned to individual debtors. And we can add them in bulk, we can deallocate charges, we can do quick edit, we can also do auto allocate sibling discounts, auto allocate for year group. For example, you can configure Engage to assign your upper school charges to year 7 to 9, lower school charges to year 1 to 3 with a single click if you want to. And then you can drill down and get additional information as shown on the screen. The next step here is then to manage contact contributions. So this screen is used to assign payment responsibilities such as splitting fees between parents. So I've selected Amira. I can see that Dad is paying a percentage of balance, so he's paying 50% here. So if I come and click on Mum, come down to contribution type, and I'm going to select balance of charges, which means Mum will pay all of the rest of it. So you don't need to set each parent to 50%. One can be set at a percentage, the other at the balance of charges. And you can also add the non-contact payers information here and specify that they should be invoiced.